Hello, and today we are in Craigavon Park. We are showing this beautiful two-bedroom house with a single Hollywood garage. There is easy access to the house. We've got a lovely little garden, easy to maintain, not too big, not too small. You can have a little patio. A nice size patio. You can sit and have your coffee in the morning, or you can work from home. And as we go inside, we enter into this beautiful, very spacious lounge and a dining room. There is lovely, almost open plan kitchen. You can put your kitchen counter chairs. And outside it leads to the little courtyard. Lovely and peaceful here. Going inside. Kitchen with plenty cupboard space. Stove and your oven also goes outside to the courtyard. Space for one under-counter appliance, but you can always redo the kitchen and make some more. And there is a lovely pantry cupboard. Linen cupboard on your right. Bedroom number one, very nice and sunny. And both cupboard space. This is your bathroom, and this is where you can put your another appliance and your thermal dryer and a washing machine. So this is quite useful instead of having it in a kitchen. So this bathroom is with a bath and a toilet and a master bedroom. There's a lovely view of the garden. Beautiful trees outside. And it's ensuite. There's a cupboards on both sides of the walls. And we're getting into the bathroom, and this one is with the shower. And we're coming out to this beautiful place where you can spend the whole day here. So just to wrap it up, we've got a lovely home with 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, big kitchen and lovely lounge and dining room with patio and a Hollywood garage. Give me a call if you like to view this. Thank you.